Hey guys, it's Ashley from How to Tree Reviews, and today we are unboxing Bullymake Box. This box is a subscription for power chewer dogs. So if your dog goes through toys like crazy, you have a large breed that just loves to just gnaw and chew, they are really great. Everything is sourced and made here in the United States. The rubber is sourced here. The nylon is sourced here. There's typically 2 toys and 3 treats. The boxes are themed and so cute. Every season, every holiday, they do something really fun, and I love that. It's fun for the owner. It's fun for the dog. You can take pictures. You know, like just those great photo opportunities. So they do have the 14-day money-back guarantee on the, not money-back. Why do I keep saying that? It's not a money-back guarantee. It is a, you can let them know that your dog chewed through it within 14 days, and then they will replace it. They will send you another. So that is really cool. This is the December box. We're going to find out what's in here together. It's $39.99 a month. I'm going to look around for a coupon for you guys. And if I find one, I'll put that down below. I will link to them with my affiliate link. So they do have a monthly giveaway. Text Bullymake to 555-888 for a chance to win a free of your boxes. I think this is for subscribers only, so I wouldn't try it if I were you. Well, I mean, maybe. I don't know. All right. Look, it's so Christmassy. Oh, my gosh. Okay. So first, we have Bullymake Minty Pines. Now, I'm going to guess that these are green because they did a spearmint. Yeah, they smell minty. Weird. I wonder if this is good for, like, dog's breath. I'm going to give these to my neighbor and I didn't get to take the video with flash. I'm sorry. I just didn't get a chance. It's cold out. Like, it's cold and rainy out, and they have kids in their house. I have kids in my house. It would just be too much. So, it smells kind of minty, though. So, there is a peppermint. Yep. So, there is and they do give you all the ingredients. If your dog has sensitivities, when you subscribe, you can let them know. And I'm guessing they kind of have different treats for different sensitivities, just so. You also select the size of your dog as well. All right. Next we have Bullymake Jumbo Chicken Chews. See how the bags are, they're always different, and it's always colored for like the holiday that's coming. So cute. You should have seen the Cinco de Mayo box. If you didn't see that video, that box, that was just the cutest little box. I just thought it was so great. There was a beer can in it. I mean, like, come on, who am I? We all know me. All right, so anyway, there's this. Then we have the Bullymake Snowflake Snackers. So I think these look like snowflakes. Let's find out. I want to see. I'm smelling them. They smell like cheese, actually. I'm looking at dog food getting hungry. They're cute, right? This one's kind of stuck together, but those are super cute. I think there is cheese in there's got to be. Oh, maybe not. Glucono-delta-lactone. Yeah, it looks like some sort of a dried cultured skim milk. Stuff like that. Interesting. So there's that. And then I always, whatever I don't open here, I donate. And then I give the other ones out to like friends that have dogs and stuff like that. My personal trainer has 2 dogs, so I give him some, and I give even my neighbor. All right. Then we have our toys. So first we have, this is a Bullymake Snowflake. Isn't that so cute? This is their nylon toy. These are super durable. My neighbor does still have quite a few of theirs that I've given them. Like, I remember there was a little chili pepper. I saw that at their house the other night. So that's still around. It's still kicking. And their dog is a lab hoop. Labs love to chew. If you have a lab, you know. So let's move on to our second toy. This is fun. So you have your little hole to put your bully stick or whatever. And then this is a rubber ball. And it looks like an ornament. And you can also obviously play tug of war and all that stuff. So this is really cute, isn't it? I love it. It's so cute. And then you have like toys around that are like seasonal. They kind of fit your decor, which I think is really neat. So that is everything that I received in my Bullymake box for December. If you are interested in checking them out, I will link to them below. I will also link to my full review on the blog, so you can check that out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.